Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Ramadan Ashari, and in this video I want to explain more about my chapter 1 in my thesis, and here we go. In the first part of the subchapter, I will explain more about the history of human communication from the traditional until the modern era. This section will explain about the changing of the model of human communication from face-to-face until the modern era since the computer was found. The next part will explain more about the Instagram existence from the first until right now until the release of Instagram translation tool, see translation. In this part, we'll explain about the lack of Instagram translation tool that was found by the writers and the people who use Instagram translation tools. The last part of the first subchapter is the reason by the writers. He chose this topic because he wants to explain more about the translation that is done by the translation tool by Instagram, and he wants to know how the translation works to translate something based on the socio-cultural context and how it can influence the people who use Instagram. And this thesis will be titled The Accuracy of Instagram Translation Tool from French into English on Caption. The next is the second subchapter is the scope of the study that has the scope, the translation that was done by Instagram translation tool, translation from French into English. And the third subchapter is the problem statement, and in here is written two problem statement. The first is how the translation used on French Instagram caption that was translated into English, and the second is how the accuracy of translation based on the socio-cultural context. The next subchapter is the objectives of study, and there are two objectives. The first is to find out translation accuracy of Instagram translation tool, see translation, and to find out the translation based on socio-cultural context. And the last is the significances of the study. The first is the theoretically, and this research hope can be really useful for the people who wants to learn more about the translation and the translation tool. And the practically, it is hope to be really useful for the teachers, lecturers, and students who have passion to learn more about the translation, especially the translation that was done by translation tool such as Instagram translation tools. So that is my explanation for my thesis in the chapter 1, and I hope it can be really useful for the readers. Thank you so much. See you.